Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I wanted to show y'all a super easy way to add pops of color to your look. I know a lot of you are afraid to use color and you kind of just stick to your neutrals. So I wanted to show y'all how easy it is. You of course don't have to do a bright lip like I did. I just love corals and orangey reds in the summer. So this lip with this look I am obsessed with. This has kind of been my go-to work look because it looks like I took a lot of time to do it, but I really didn't because I'm always in a hurry for work. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. For my primer today, I'm actually going to be using the Tarte tarteguard 30 sunscreen. I've been trying to add sunscreen into my daily routine because I know I need that sun protection, and I love using this as a primer, especially if I use a matte foundation because it gives me a little bit more of a luminous look. I usually don't like wearing matte foundations, so I am mixing the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I just mix it up on the back of my hand and then I just put it all over, and I'm using a damp beauty sponge to give it a more luminous look. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Under Eye Corrector. This is the shade Light Medium, and I love this stuff. It instantly brightens my under eyes, and it helps correct that darkness. And then I just take my concealer and put it right on top, and I am using Shape Tape, also by Tarte. To set my under eyes, I am going in with the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette, also by Tarte, and I'm using the shade called Enhance, which has a yellow tint to it, so it's going to help brighten my under eyes. I need all the help that I can get. And now I'm just going in with a translucent setting powder to set the rest of my face. And how cute is this powder brush? It is from the Tarte limited edition Mermaid collection, and you can still get this brush set on Sephora.com and on Tarte.com, and they are on sale for $29. So go ahead and grab them while they're on sale and while they're still in stock, because once they go out of stock, they are gone for good since they were limited edition. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and today I will be using Brow by Benefit. Taking the Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette again, I'm going to be going in with the shade Angle to contour with. I wear this blush almost every day. I love it. It's my new favorite color. It is called Glisten by Tarte. It's their Amazonian Clay 12-hour blushes, and they truly do stay 12 hours. The color does not fade throughout the day. I love them. For this look, I wanted to use two different highlighters, and they are both by Becca, and the first one is Champagne Pop, which is the collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. This is my favorite highlighter. I think it is so pretty. And then the other one is called Rose Quartz, which is a pink shade, and that is what I'm going to be using on my eyes, sort of a pinky gold color, so I thought these two together would be perfect. Here I'm just going in with a black gel liner to line my lower waterline. For eyeshadow primer, I have been loving the new Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer. It is in a stick form. As you can see, I just roll it on my eyes, and then I like to smooth it out with my finger, so it makes it so easy to use, and it makes your eyeshadow stay on all day. And then I just take my brush that I used to set my under eye and just go over that. Now on to the fun part. I am using the Tarte limited edition Mermaid palette. I'm probably a little late making this video, but I did want to go ahead and do it for those of you who did grab the palette. And I'm going to start off using the shade Sandbar, and this is going to be my transition shade, so I'm going to place it right above my crease and blend up. For my crease, I am going in with the shade Sure Thing. After I build both shades, I like to take a clean fluffy brush and just go over both of those and make sure they are nice and blended and no harsh lines. For my lid, I'm going to be using the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Froze, which is hands down my most favorite color of these. And as you can see, I am using my finger, which is actually my favorite way to apply these. Look how pigmented and so pretty, and there are so many pretty colors. Y'all definitely have to try these out. Now onto the pops of color. I'm going to start off using Splash and just drag this across my lower lash line. I'm taking that clean fluffy brush again just to make sure that's nice and blended, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Lagoon, and I'm going to focus this color mainly on my waterline and right at the lash line. Now I'm going to finish off the eyes with my favorite mascara, which is Maneater by Tarte. And to finish off the look, I'm going in with the Tarte Rainforest at the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the shade Sundays, which is a beautiful orangey red that actually matches my nails perfectly. But this is definitely one of my favorite lipstick colors. So that completes this look. I hope that y'all liked it, and I hope this video encourages you to play around with color a little more now that you see how easy it is. But if you did like this look, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.